Hi students, in today's lecture we will be solving two problems. The difference on these problems, basically there are two differences. So first understand that the first difference is mostly if you see the textbooks, you will be coming across 99% of questions based on solids resting on HP. So basically you will find only very less problems based on solids resting on VP. So based on the time I will be making a correction here. So basically we have answered many of the questions based on that is the solids are resting on HP. Here first question is solid is resting on VP. So I will be making a correction. That means that I will show you after drawing the simple question. Then secondly, here in this question they have means in words they have given only one inclination. The other inclination you have to find based on the data given. So we will see to the questions. See, first question is please read the first question. Draw the projection of a square pyramid of 25 mm base at given and 50 mm height, resting on one of its face edge on VP. So it's resting on VP. So first here they have given first what is it is resting on VP, right? So it is resting on VP means there is a difference, that is base you can see on front view. So what makes a difference? See, this is your ground, right? This is parallel to the ground means this paper you can see from top view. So if the base is this is the base is means this base you can see from top view. But if it is resting on VP means see your wall. The wall you can see from front view, right? The wall. So resting on base is resting on VP means that wall you can see on front view. So here they have told that resting on VP on face edge, right? Don't means that we'll see later. So the thing is first you have to see whether resting on VP or resting on HP. So for mainly you have to focus two things. First is whether it is resting on HP or VP. Resting on HP means the base is visible in top view, and resting on VP means base is visible in front view. So the difference is base is here visible in front view. So base on front view, first thing. Then second thing you have to understand is whether edge is on right side or face is on right side. So here you have see one of its face edge on VP. So we have to give inclination to face edge. So that you will understand after solving the problem how we are giving inclination and all, that I will tell you. Now face edge here, so we have to move the face edge here, right? We have to move the face edge. Face edge means what? It's a line. So end point is a corner. So face edge means corner on right side. So based on these two things we are going to start, we will start our drawing. So our base is on front view. So I'll draw the XY line first. Now I have to draw the base, right? Base on front view, that is above XY line. Now right side corner, how to draw a square I have already told you. I will draw once more. So it's not easy to start with a corner. So what I am going to do is, we will see take 2.5, that is 25 mm means take 2.5 mm. Then from here take from protractor take 90 degree, take 2.5 mm. Similarly complete the square. I am roughly drawing. You can draw a square, right, of 25 mm. Now what you are going to do is, we will find the diagonals. Now so starting, see first what I am going to do is, I will draw a line parallel to XY line here on pencil, light line parallel to XY line, So by roll scale you can draw it. Now take a point, take 90 degree. So draw a line perpendicular to that line. So we have drawn two perpendicular lines. One is parallel to XY line, other is perpendicular to XY line. Now what I am going to do is, take any of the half of the diagonal, any one. Don't take 4 separately. take any one. So I am taking here, see, I am taking this, take any one, take any one, see, you have to take any one here. So and cut it on four sides. Don't take, never take four sides separately and draw it. These all four are same, right? So take any one, you can take any one, choose any one and cut on the four sides. So you will get the 4 points here, 1 2 3 4. Now join, see, you have obtained the square. This will be 25, right? This will be 25. No, this will be 25. It's a pyramid, right? So you have to join the diagonals too. So naming it A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and O dash, P dash. Now what you have to do? You have to find the front view. So project from here. Simply you can project from here. Now it's your axis is here. So this will be your A. This will be your B. Here if you are looking from here, D is visible, B is not visible, and O is also here and C is here. Now what you have to do? Take 50 mm. Take 50 mm. Take 50 mm and draw a line. Then complete this and draw the base too. This is P. So completed the top view, right? Now see, now I will go to the, now tell the first difference. That is, I am making a correction here. See, previously we were drawing, it is the problems based on resting on solids resting on HP. Here the solid is resting on VP. If the solid is resting on HP means give, we have given first inclination to front view, right? First front view we have rotated. See here, if the resting on VP means you have to give first inclination to VP. Simply what I am going to say is, never give first inclination to base, always give to the face. There is no rotation in, there is no meaning in rotating base in next view, there is no meaning. That you can draw in first view itself. See, ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ബേസും ഫേസും വരച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആദ്യത്തെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിന് എപ്പോഴും ഫേസിൻ്റെ ഇത് ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ അല്ലെ റെക്റ്റാങ്കിളാണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ബേസ് റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ ഒരു അർത്ഥമില്ല. സോ ഈ ബേസ് റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാന്ന് മീൻസ് ഈ ബേസ് റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഈ സിമ്പിൾ പൊസിഷനിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് റൊട്ടേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം, ഒരു ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുമില്ല. ഇത് നമ്മൾ എഡ്ജ് വെച്ച് വരയ്ക്കും, കോർണർ വെച്ച് വരയ്ക്കും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇൻക്ലൈൻഡ് ആയിട്ട് വരയ്ക്കാനാണ് ഡയറക്റ്റ് സിമ്പിൾ പൊസിഷൻ വരയ്ക്കുക. സോ ഹിയർ ദിസ് വ്യൂ ഈസ് ബേസിക്കലി റൊട്ടേറ്റിംഗ്. സോ previous questions we were rotating on the front view. First we are giving inclination to VHP, but here we will be giving inclination to VP first. Why I have told you? See, you understand, right? So we will be giving first inclination to VP. Now whether they have given inclination to VP, see the question. So they haven't told anything. The inclination to HP only is given. That's why here resting on one of its face edge on VP. So it is resting on one of its face edge on VP. So actually this face, one of its face edge is on VP. That's why I have made a corner. So this corner means here you CP is a face edge. Actually this CP face edge should be on HP means on XY line. That's the first inclination. So that inclination they haven't given. Instead they have told that this face edge, one of its face edge is on HP. So we have to rotate and make this CP on HP. So like that they will tell. The main thing is they can tell either face or face edge on HP, on VP, or perpendicular to HP or perpendicular to VP. See, if the CP, if they are telling instead, see, listen carefully, if they are telling that one of its face edge on VP, instead they will be telling if face edge perpendicular to VP. If perpendicular to VP means you have to make CP perpendicular. This CP is perpendicular and redraw is. Understood, right? So here they have told that face edge on VP. So first we will start here. I will mark C here. Then what I am going to do is CP, cut it here, redraw that figure such that CP is on VP. Now CP is on XY line. Now redraw that figure. It's easy, right? From here cut it here. Then take this distance. Take this distance. Cut it here, you will redraw that figure, join this. Now take this distance, cut it. I am not drawing it, you can directly draw it. So this will be C O P D A P, right? Now next is you have to project and find the corresponding view. Project easily you can draw. No need of explanation here, right? So you can find the corresponding view by projecting and drawing parallel lines like this. Now mark the points. See here what is happening means this base has rotated more than 90 degrees. So A will be here. See A will be A dash is here and C dash is here. See this reverted, right? Here A was on left side, here A is on right side. See A is here. So that you have to keep in mind while making. See A is here. Usually you will have a tendency that you will mark A here after drawing all these figures. So see here A is here. Now P is here. Now if you are looking from here, base is visible, right? If you are looking from here, base is visible, right? So if you are looking from here, base is visible means what will happen? See, base is visible means first we will draw the base. First we will draw the base, that is AB. I will join A, B, C, D. First we have drawn the base. Now the face edge, you have to draw face edges. See each face edge which is passing inside this square will not be visible. So AP is outside this base, right? DP is also outside the base. BP is also outside the base. CP is passing inside. So draw dotted line up to here only, because before the means after A dash A after A dash P dash is there, which will set, that means C dash P dash is behind that. So no need to worry about that. Now completing this figure. Now they have told that the axis is inclined. See another thing. Now I will tell, with the plane containing that face edge and axis is inclined 40 degree to it. So plane containing that axis means face edge is CP, right? This is your face edge CP. So CP is the face edge and your axis here O dash P dash is axis. So CP and OP, that is triangle, that is plane containing face, edge and axis means that is CPO, right? CP is the face edge which is on XY line and OP is axis. That is CP and OP means there that you have 3 points CP and O, that is this is the triangle. So that CPO you can see here as a line, right? C is here, O is here, P, that is it's a line. So like this, see if you are this is a scale, right? If it is placed like this means on top view you will be seeing it as a line, right? So if you want to give inclination to that, this scale I want to give inclination means what will happen? You have to give inclination to this line. So if you are giving inclination to this line means the scale automatically get inclined. So same thing here. So that don't worry about this sentence. See that point is C dash A dash is a line here. So you have to give inclination to this line which 40 degree, right? So 40 degree, take 40 degree and redraw the figure. So I will be drawing the figure here 40 degree, right? Take 40 degree, draw a line here. What I am going to do is cut this point. See P dash C dash here. So P dash C dash we have cut. P dash you can obtain, C dash obtain, then find. I will be roughly drawing by using compasses. By using compasses you can find these points, right? O dash you can find, A dash you can find. Now what you have to do, draw perpendicular. So like this you have to draw perpendicular, then take this distance. See, take this distance and you cut it here. So in order to obtain B dash, D dash, so our figure will be like this. 1, 2, I will be roughly drawing 1, 2, 3, 4 and joining these, sorry, and this will be dotted and finally project downwards. P dash is here, P dash is here, and from here draw horizontal lines and find the points. See P is here, right? P is on XY line. Now that is D is here, D is here. Next is A is here, C is here, B is here, right? So if you are looking from here, see O is nearer to you than P. If you are looking from above this view, if you are looking like this in the same, if you are looking from this arrow, you can see O first rather than P. So O is nearer to this arrow, right? So base is visible. Base is visible means you can draw first base, you can complete AB, CD, complete that. Now see, join the face at CP, which is outside, right? DP is also outside, AP is also outside, but BP is inside, right? So completed, right? See a 3D figure. So this is the actual position. Now we will move to the second question. So second question is actually a cone. See, cone is a different thing, you have to listen carefully. So here similar question, though the projection of a cone of base diameter is given as 50 mm and height 60 mm resting on HP. So HP means we have to, HP means, so first I will write here, HP means, what is HP? HP means top view is base, right? Base you can see in top view, HP. So and one of its generator, that I will tell directly with the top view of that you will see later. So we will start the front view and top view. HP, that is base, you can see on top view. So we will start from here and further we can see the question and complete it. Now see, I will draw the XY line like this XY line. Now we have to draw the base first, right? How to draw the base is for a cone. Cone means what is, base will be a circle, right? Base will be a circle, and the faces means infinite number of lines passing on through a face. There will not be any face edges. So I am going to start with the base diameter, that is a circle. So take a point here. So here they have given 50 as the diameter, right? So take 25 mm radius, 50 is diameter. So take 25 mm on compass and draw a circle. So I don't have a, so I am marking it by using compass and I will complete it by pen. So this is a circle that you are drawing. So you have completed the circle. So next what you have to do is, see, draw a line parallel to this XY line. Draw a line parallel to this XY line here. Draw a line parallel. This is the leftmost point and rightmost point of the circle. So by using roller scale, you draw a line parallel passing through the center, that is diameter you have drawn, to find the leftmost and rightmost point. So if you rotate the circle, you will be getting an ellipse like structures. So ellipse means you cannot draw with two or 4 points, right? You need more points. For that purpose, we will be dividing this into 8 equal parts. How to divide it into 8 equal parts? Using this. See, now next what I am, so taking it into 90. So we will take 90 degree, 45, 45, 90, 45. So we have taken 45 degree, 90 degree and 45 here, 135 degree. So next what we are going to do is, so we will not be drawing lines here. We will not be drawing lines here. Instead, see, I will place like scale here and mark the points here. I will mark points here. Similarly, but I will be drawing the perpendicular line here. Perpendicular line here. Next, this 45 degree. Mark the points. So we have obtained points here. So I will start here. A is here, B is here, C is here, D is here, E, F, G and H. Right? You will get 8 points. So now you have to project it upwards. See, project H and B should be on same projection line. Similarly, F and D should be on same projection line. Otherwise, you have I have committed some mistakes. This F and D should be on same projection line. Now I will name it as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. Similarly O, P is here, also I will mark O dash. So A, B, C, if you are looking from here, A, B, C, D is visible, H, G, F is not visible, H, G, F on bracket line. Now axis is given, so from here draw axis line 60 mm, so mark 60 mm on it, then complete the front view. Actually front view means you will be seeing only a triangle, right? You will seeing only a triangle in front view, so completed the triangle. Now see, this surface actually made up of infinite lines, right? See, if you are rotating, it's a hold of revolution, so this front view or your surface, the surface is made of infinite number of lines, that each line is called generator. Generator is a line which connecting the apex to the base, so here they have told that 60 mm they have given inclination to VP, but here we have to give first inclination to front view, right? VP means it's in top view, so for that what we will go to HP on one of its generator, it is resting on one of its generators. Generator means A dash P dash is a generator. Similarly, E dash P dash is a generator. A dash P dash and A dash P dash and E dash P dash are generators. So you have to make one of these generators on HP means on XY line. So first we are going to rotate E dash P dash on XY line. So first I will mark E dash here. Cut it here. This will be your P dash. Now what you have to do, complete this figure. Similarly take A dash, P dash and redraw it. So this will be like this. Found the point. Now complete the figure. The triangle you have to complete it. So now you have to find these points. I will be quickly drawing through this. By using compass you can find, right? You have to cut like this. From here you can cut and find the center point. Similarly you have to cut and find the, by using either scale or by using compass you can cut these points. So this will be E dash, this will be B dash, H dash, this will be O dash, G dash, C dash, this will be D dash, F dash and finally E dash. Now you have obtained all the point. Now draw the projection lines from here, perpendicular lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly P, and draw horizontal lines. A and E will be on same horizontal line. Similarly F and H will be on same horizontal line. D and B will be on same horizontal line. B and D will be on same horizontal line. H and F will be on same horizontal line. So this will be your P. Here E will be here. E will be here. Sorry, this is A dash. Naming is not right. I am correcting the name here. A. So if you are rotating means here A dash. Now here B dash, H dash. Here C dash, G dash. Here F dash, D dash and E dash. Right. So I am correcting it. This, if you are rotating and making parallel means this A dash will be above and D dash will be below. So B dash, H dash will be above. So same thing here, you will be getting E here and A here, because it has rotated more than 90 degree means it's reverted, right? So A will be getting, E here will be getting. So this point is representing F and D. So F is here, D is here. Now C and G will not have change. Now here we will be having H, B. See, A, B, C, D, F, it has rotated. If it is in clockwise, anti-clockwise direction here it is in clockwise direction. So it's a change. Now what I am going to tell you is how to draw the visible lines. Only there are two possibilities for a cone, that is either base is visible or either base is not visible. So I will show both the cases. First in this point here base is visible, right? O is nearer to you than P, so here base is visible. Base is visible means draw base. First you have to draw the base completely. It's an ellipse, so ellipse you have to draw by a smooth curve you have to draw. So I'll tell you one point. See, I have 3 points like this. If you have 3 points like this, what you are going to do is you will don't draw like this. That is, it's not sharp. Instead, you have to form a curve like this. See what I am going to do. See how a curve is drawn, right? See the difference. Once more I will tell you. If you have 3 points like this, don't draw sharp curves. Instead, smooth curve you have to draw. See, like this you have to draw. Smoothly you have to draw. Now you have completed the base. Now you have to join with the P. So this means you have to, I will tell you one more point. See, for this what you have to do is place pen on P, place your pen on P and scale like this and move such that it is on the outermost area. Similarly P, see P here I will move like this. Here C and G will be outermost, there will not be any problem, but sometimes it will not be. So base is not visible. Always generators will be visible. While drawing cone, always generators will be visible. If base is visible means base will be fully visible. If base is not visible means what will happen? These will be visible. Only the thing is the portion of the base which is inside will be dotted. That means if base is not visible here, the figure will be like this. This will be dotted. How to draw that? I will show you in the next figure. Next position. See, next position we are going to draw. So I will extend Y here in order to draw the next position. So here we are rotating. See, they have told that one resting on HP on one of its generators with the top view of the axis making an angle 30 degree. Top view of the axis they have told. See, your O dash is here and this is your axis. Sorry, O is here and this is your axis, right? Top view of the axis. Why they have told the top view of the axis? See, O dash P dash is here. O dash P dash. This will be your axis. I have drawn that. See, this is incline, right? Incline. True length with the true inclination. This is shortened length parallel to XY line. So this is shortened length, not the true length. So you cannot give true inclination here. So in the question they have given top view is making. That means they have given the apparent inclination directly. If they have given true inclination means you have to find the apparent inclination as we have seen in the previous video. But instead they have given the apparent inclination directly. So you can directly draw with the apparent inclination. So you have to give inclination to this axis. So here we will rotating in such a way that the base is not visible. So first we will start with draw a point here. So it will be easy if you this point make it nearer to P dash, make it very nearer to P dash. That will help you to completing this figure. So take 30 degree and draw a line. See, it should be, the spacing should be less. The spacing should be less. Otherwise, if it is increasing means more space is needed for that. So I will be drawing E dash P dash, EP. First we will start with the EP like this. You have to mark. So this should be marked like this. EP. See, this much distance I have taken. Why? In order to accommodate this. Means if your next points you have to find like this ellipse should be here, right? This ellipse should be here. So in order to, if you are drawing here means this ellipse should cross the XY line. So for avoiding that, I have taken E somewhat below. Now what you are going to do is you have to reproduce this, right? For reproducing this, very easy. So on this line find 1 2 3 4 5 points. So 1 2 3 4 5 points. These 5 points I have marked. See, E and E, this is E, this is A. In between E and A you have 3 points. Taking compass you can find this, right? Already we have drawn like, I am not showing it because we have already seen on the previous videos. So now from here you have to do what? You have to draw perpendicular line. So you have to draw perpendicular lines. From here you have to draw a perpendicular line. From here also you have to draw perpendicular lines. From here also you have to draw perpendicular lines. Now I will tell you a point. See, these two distances are same. These two distances are same. So if you take any of these distance, if you are taking this distance means you can cut 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 will be same. 1, 2, 3. These 4 will be same. And then cut these two distances. That is, cut these two distances also. So you will get an ellipse like this. You get an ellipse and join these two lines, complete these two lines. So this will be your E, this will be your A, this will be your what? D is here, A, B is here, C, D, E, F, G, H is here. Now the final figure you have to draw, projecting from here. So just project from here, points you have to project. D perpendicular line, C, E, F, B, G, A, H. And also P. Then horizontal lines from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now very carefully mark these points. So D, first D here, that is D dash. Next is C, C dash. E is here, E dash. F, F dash. B, B dash. A dash. H dash. One more thing is G, G dash, and P dash is here. So while joining this you will get a figure like this. See, you will get a figure like this. You will be getting a figure like this, and you have to find extreme points. It may not, extreme point will not be here, here somewhere. So this you have to complete it. You will get like this. So here if base is not visible, right? See, from here you get O. This is your O dash. Sorry, O. See, O, P is nearer to you than O. So base is not visible means this should be dotted. How to draw it? I will tell you. First you have to pencil. On pencil you have to mark like this. First you have to draw like this. Then what you have to do? You have to complete the figure. After this, rub this portion off. Then make it as dotted. This base is actually you have to draw in a single stretch, otherwise you will not be able to draw it. So first to draw the base completely, then join these two figures. Now if base is not visible means what you will do, make the portion of the base inside this figure as dotted, that by rubbing off. So I will draw it here. See, we will be drawing, see, you will get a ellipse like this. Now I will join with P dash. How drawing this? See, make P here like this. Similarly, place P here. P, see, P here, and rotate compass in such that it is passing through the outermost point. Here there is a problem. The outermost point will be in between A and H. See, here your A dash will be like this and H dash will be like this. If you extend the figure, you will get like this. See, this will be your extreme point. This will be your extreme point. So the extreme point here, kindly note the extreme point here is not A dash or H dash, like this. See, is some other point. So for finding that, you have to make pen, you have to fix pen here, then rotate like this and find the outermost point. Now what I next to do is rub this off, then make this as dotted. This should be dotted. This portion make it as dotted, and this will be actually visible. So this complete the figure, right? I think you should understand. I think you already got these points. Now try to complete it. By next video, we will see some special type of problems. By that we will basically close the main lectures, and we will see some assignment problems next.